Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to troubleshoot VLC Media Player not playing videos in Windows machine. Now, the first step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and reboot your PC. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve many software issues. Restarting your computer can refresh the system and clear the temporary glitches that might be causing a problem. So you can go ahead and restart your computer by clicking on the start menu and then click on the power icon and then click on restart. Wait for a while and then try to launch VLC Media Player and then check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step to resolve this issue is to update VLC Media Player. To do this, you will have to open VLC Media Player on your computer and then click on Help at the top right corner of the Media Player menu and then click on Check for the updates. Once you check for the updates, if you have the latest version of VLC Media Player installed, you will see the message saying that you have the latest version of VLC Media Player, and then you can click on Recheck version. Once this is done, you may close VLC Media Player and then try to reopen VLC Media Player and then check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next method is to go ahead and update your graphic drivers. Outdated or corrupt graphic drivers can cause playback issues in Media Player. So ensure that your graphic drivers are up to date. Now to update your graphic drivers, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on the device manager. Once you have the device manager open, you may go and expand the display adapters. So you can do a right click and then click on scan for changes. And at the same time, to update the driver, you can do a right click and then click on update driver. Search automatically for the drivers and then click on close. Repeat the same step for the other multiple adapters. In case if you have more than two or more than one, repeat the same step. Do a right click, update driver, search automatically for the drivers and then click on close. And at the same time, you can also update your graphic drivers through Windows Update. So you can do a right click again and then click on update driver and then search automatically for the drivers. And when you see an option which says search for the updated drivers on Windows Update, click on it. That should take you to the Windows Update window. So in case if there are any updates available to your display adapters through Windows Update, you can go ahead and install them by clicking on check for the updates. So this will go ahead and check for the updates, and if there are any updates to be installed, go ahead and install those updates. Close this window, restart your computer and then check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next method. Now the next method is to go ahead and reset VLC preferences. Sometimes incorrect settings in VLC can cause playback issues. Resetting VLC preferences to their default state can resolve this problem. To do this, you will have to open VLC Media Player and then click on Tools. Once you click on Tools, you will have to click on Preferences and then click on Reset Preferences. Click on OK. Close VLC Media Player and then try to relaunch VLC Media Player and then check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next method. Now the next method is to go ahead and disable hardware accelerated decoding. Now while hardware acceleration can enhance video playback performance, it may cause issues on some systems. So disabling it can sometimes resolve the playback issues. Now to disable the hardware accelerated decoding, you will have to open the VLC Media Player and then click on Tools and then click on Preferences. Once you're on the Preferences, you will have to go to the Input and Codec section. So click on it. Under this, you will see an option which says Hardware Accelerated Decoding. From the list, you may go and click on Disable and then click on Save. Close the VLC Media Player and then try to relaunch VLC Media Player and then check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next method. Now, in spite of trying all this step and if you're still facing a problem, the next method is to go ahead and reinstall VLC Media Player. To do this, you will have to open Programs and Features. An easiest way is you can do a right click and then click on Run. And in the Run window, you may go ahead and type appwiz .cpl. This is a shortcut to open the programs and features window. Click on OK. Once you have the programs and features window, this will give you the list of programs which are currently installed on the computer. Now in this list, you will have to go and locate for VLC Media Player. You will have to highlight it and then click on uninstall. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen and follow the step-by-step instructions on the screen. Now here, make sure you choose delete preference and cache and then click on uninstall. Once the VLC Media Player has been uninstalled, restart your computer. Once your computer has been restarted, open the browser and then go to the search tab and type VLC Media Player download. Make sure you're downloading VLC or a video LAN player from the official website, not from any third-party website. Go to video LAN website and download it from there. I will also mention this website in the video description. Click on it and then choose the type of VLC player you want to download. Preferably, you can go ahead and click on download VLC. Once the download is complete, install it, follow the step-by-step instructions, and then check if you're able to play videos. Now, all these steps should definitely fix a problem. In spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with a possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.